Hey guys, sorry. I am going to try and give you guys an opinion on this. It's one of these Chinese air compressors. It's actually pretty good. So you can see that I've already got my wheel down to like 10 psi. Just give me a second while I connect this. You should see the tyre pressure if I turn this on. So we're going to turn this on now by holding the button, and let's just give it up. There we go. Poor 6 psi. So this thing has multiple modes. So you can see at the top we've got a bike icon and PSI. So we can switch between modes. We've got like a push bike there, and that's like a football. And then we've got like a free range mode, and then we're back to a car, and then a bike. I think these are pretty much like how they imagine a preset thing will be. Yeah, you can also change your input. So we're on PSI now, so if I press and hold this button, we'll switch to bar, and then we're going to go to kPa, and then I have never seen that measurement before in my life, and then we're back to PSI, and I'm pretty sure there is a free range mode somewhere in this thing. But we're going to go back to PSI, and then my front tyre pressure on this bike is 28 PSI, so we're going to go to 28 PSI if I can on this particular mode. No, we're going to switch to PSI, and then we're going to go to bike, and then we're going to come down a little bit to 28 psi. Why has that gone up to 64? Apparently it thinks that this particular bike mode is as is. So okay, let's go to the free range mode. Can we change the free range mode to 28 psi? Well, let's have a look. I bet we can. I think, yeah, I do apologise, my washing machine is running in the background. I am in my kitchen with my bike. But I'm hoping you'll appreciate the video, so we can get to 28 psi on there. And its current reading is 8.5. This is loud. I do apologise, it is very loud. And it does shut off at whatever value you set to, but I would recommend just putting it a little bit higher so that you can disconnect it and not lose half a psi.